the great whales on the earth, remind you and will continue to remind you. When the vibrations of technology and the messing with the sonar become too much, they will continue to beach. They will continue to remind you to be open, not to isolate this idea of power so much, but to be open. The 3D part of yourself now is changing. The physical form is changing. You may feel your aches and pains, your headaches, your desire to sleep and spin out of the earth, depression around the heart, or grief. You may feel these things come in waves. Do not push them away. Welcome them, breathe them in, and recognize that you are in the place of changing the vibration of that energy. And so that energy comes up for you. As you begin to ascend, vibrational ascension is in the awareness right now. It's in the awareness in your being. And that awareness that is opening its eyes, that innocent one, that knowing one, that key to the kingdom, that is opening its eyes within your creative body, that is seeing with clarity, is tired of what it sees in many cases, wants to yawn and stretch and lie down. Some days it's important for you to yawn and stretch and lay on the earth. Watch the dogs and the cats. They are sleeping more than usual lately. They are stretching and putting their bodies on the earth, looking for the vibration of that Mother Earth, communing with it in the drifting, sleeping time. So don't let your mind come in and say you're old, you're tired, you're worn out. Recognize that the Mother Earth, that the vibration of the Mother Goddess in the solar system is calling you. There is a gathering in the system around you. There is a gathering in the planets. There is a gathering of ships. There is a gathering of vibrational etheric ships, and it is much stronger now. Syrians, Antarians, Arcturians, Pleiadians, Andromedans, Vegans, Lyrans, coming towards the earth for celebration, coming towards the earth to reconnect with you, their ancestors, and them, your ancestors, to reconnect with the vibrational part of you. That seems to be creating a little bit of an imbalance in the etheric body around the earth. It's an infusion of energy. You will see more of these black holes, your scientists speaking about it. These black holes are indication of infusions of energy coming from the higher vibratory forces, from the vibratory forces of those beings who are your family. Open the body, open the palms, open the heart, be aware of the belly chakra, and open the palms, connecting with the vibrational extraterrestrials, connecting with the vibrational angelic force. The angelic force, extraterrestrial force, is merging together around your planet, there for you. When your circles begin to spread out from your body into the space around you, to spread out into the earth, into the bodies of the earth, into the waters of the earth, into the trees and the flowers of the earth, when they spread beyond the earth to the planets around the earth and way beyond, you begin to draw back to you through the black holes and through the infusion vibratory channels that are all around your earth. Think of a basketball filled with tiny pinholes all around it, hundreds of thousands of pinholes, and those holes are infusing light and energy. The holes have gotten bigger and wider, and so the energy coming in is more intense, is felt more fully by the body. If you are relaxed, if you are laughing, if you are expecting to receive joy, peace, and harmony, then you will. I am Quan Yin, holding the palms open. Tone now, find your tone. Whatever scale comes to you, higher or lower, find the tone that your heart needs, that your throat needs, that your belly needs. Find those tones and tone now for a few minutes.